What is up, guys? This is FNH News Reviews and Troy here with a brand new video of Universal Magnetic Card Mount by Tofoco.com. So, I've reviewed their products before as well, and I've actually had something like this, but my old one kind of wore out, so I wanted to purchase another one for my car. So, I'm just going to get right into this review and show you how this works and whatnot. So, it does have some description again. It is made in China. It just talks about how to use it, like, after you got to stick it for 24 hours, then use it. Something I definitely do not do. I just usually put it on. Maybe that's why mine's always end up messing up. But yeah, let's get right into it. All right, open the box just to show you. So mine's this is actually very different than what I'm used to, I should say. Mine are usually like you stick it into the vent, and then you put the magnetic stick in the car, and then you like stick it on. But this one is a tad bit different. It's actually very good magnetic suction. I like that. It's adjustable, so you stick it on. This is actually pretty damn cool. So you stick it on, and as you can see, so you have the stick, you have the magnet, you stick it on, and you overall, just after you have it stuck on the car, you can use this plate to put it in your phone, like if you have a phone case and whatnot. So let me just open this. Give me 1 second. All right. Alright, opening it just to show you guys. So, as you can see, it comes with a couple magnetic cases. You can so you don't even have to put it on your case. You can just stick it on your phone or put it in the back of your case. I usually used to put it in the back of my case. I had steel plates. So as you can see, this is, wow. Holy shit. It's actually really good suction. And they have different sizes as you can see. This is the biggest one. So they have 3 sizes overall. This one. So they have 3. Well, this is not the. This is just a suction, so you can just put that somewhere else as well. They have 2 sizes, I should say that. They even have like a wash just for you to like the prep pad. I believe, I don't know if it's for the phone case or the car dashboards for you to like clean off and put on. But overall, that's very cool. Definitely will be using this. I like the quality because this is actually really good quality. It's actually not that bad at all. I was expecting a little bit less quality, but it's actually very good quality. We'll definitely check it out because you can put it on the dashboard and then you can adjust the phone and obviously use your GPS or and whatnot. Don't text and drive. And yeah, it's actually fairly good because the other ones were, again, like I said, they either like the stick wore off or the vent ones I've used, they just like die out or they fall somewhere. This seems fairly good. And again, they have extra ones for you as well for you to put on over here and maybe use for your other, for like the phone and whatnot. So overall, very interested. So let's see how. I will definitely test this out and go. Obviously, all the links will be in the description below. This was $10, so it's not that bad as well. I've bought much like higher priced items before as well. So would highly recommend you guys to check it out and see. Let me know your thoughts below. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you guys think about this? Yeah, other than that, if you like the video overall, give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Other than that, FNH out. Peace.